Our main goal behind organizing this workshop was to make RedLook tangible, to let people see, touch, and use the technology.
The RedLook workshop enables the participants to better engage with the technology with a combination of classroom and hands-on training. It also gives them the opportunity to share experience between peers from other companies so they can network and ultimately improve their performance in the field. RedLook is an innovative portfolio of advanced infrared imaging technologies that provides end users with best-in-class emissions monitoring, safety performance, and productivity with the same technology. And this we do across multiple markets.
Our workshop is actually really practical. Participants work with our RedLook technology, creating real cases and solving real problems. By the end, they are not just going to know what RedLook is, but they actually are going to know how to use it in their own applications.
My experience in workshop was great. You guys did a fantastic job with training in potential project with monitoring methane and other gases. Of course, I would recommend this workshop for all the professionals that are currently just maybe thinking or searching for new technologies in thermal visual solutions.
Definitely, I will recommend this workshop to other professionals. It will very well help you to understand the software, the cameras, the mechanism. The thing that motivated me to attend the RedLook workshop was the most interesting technology I saw in the website and in the LinkedIn pages. I was fascinated at first by looking at the gas and flare monitoring systems. Basically, the technology and the aspects that impressed me the most was the AI and the intelligent quantification system. The gas quantification is very fascinating, and I have never seen such a technology before. Many people are doing similar things, but no one is able to do it the way SENSIA is doing right now.